By using QuickBooks Online Advanced and Spreadsheet Sync, you have the ability to view your company's data in Excel, allowing you to create customized reports, track your business's progress, and make changes or updates to transactions and other information. Let's go over how to access Spreadsheet Sync, use it to run reports with your QuickBooks info in Excel, and import new info from a spreadsheet into QuickBooks. First, select the Settings menu and select Spreadsheet Sync. Follow the instructions to use Spreadsheet Sync in Excel. After you have set up Spreadsheet Sync, you can use it to access your QuickBooks info. Sign in using your QuickBooks username and password. From here, you can create reports, including multi-company reports. Use a spreadsheet to create or edit records in QuickBooks, create or edit budgets. Let's create a report. Select the company you want to run a report for, and then select the report you want to run. Or start typing the name of the report and select it. Let's look at a profit and loss statement. You may need to choose an accounting method. Then enter a date range for the data you want to see. And you can apply more filters. When you're done, select Run Report. Here's when the report was last updated. You can set it to automatically refresh as you work, or manually update it with a quick refresh. Select Edit Filters to change the filters you chose when you built the report. In addition to reports, you can also edit your QuickBooks data in Excel. Select Go Home. Then select Create or Edit Records and Sync. Clear Data. Select your company. Choose the type of data you want to access or post to QuickBooks. Let's work with invoices and bills. Then choose whether you want to enter new records or edit existing info. If you use custom fields, choose the fields from QuickBooks that you want to fill in for the transactions. Select Load Template. Select Notes and Controls to see an extensive guide on syncing your Excel info with QuickBooks. Enter information about transactions on each line of the sheet. And when you're done, select Sync to QuickBooks. Then Sync. You can also create and edit budgets from Spreadsheet Sync. Check out this video to learn more about that. Now you can use Spreadsheet Sync with Excel to run reports, update info in QuickBooks, and manage your budgets.